Namaste. Hamisha Krishna. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the practical protocol of the preparation of ferrous sulfate syrup. Preparation of ferrous sulfate syrup module is belongs to the subject pharmaceutics practical for the B Pharm first semester. Firstly, what is the ferrous sulfate syrup? Ferrous sulfate syrup is the treatment of the cough and some throat infections, uh, and all other health benefits. So today's aim is that to prepare and submit ferrous sulfate syrup. So what is the ferrous sulfate syrup? Hemoglobin carries oxygen through your blood to tissue and organs. Myoglobin helps your muscle cells store oxygen. Ferrous sulfate is an essential body mineral. Ferrous sulfate is an very essential part of the body. So the ferrous sulfate is used to treat iron deficiency and anemia. A lack of red blood cells caused by having too little iron in the body. So firstly, we will prepare the ferrous sulfate syrup and how to take in the body. So take ferrous sulfate on an empty stomach at last 1 hour before 2 hours after a meal. Avoid taking antacid or antibiotics with 2 hours before or after taking ferrous sulfate. Take ferrous sulfate with a full glass of water. Do not crush, chew, break, or open an extended release table or capsule. How do you take ferrous sulfate? Ferrous sulfate works best when you take it on an empty stomach. However, if it upset your stomach, you can take it with or after food. A doctor, sometimes pharmacist may recommend it. Taking ferrous sulfate with orange juice or vitamin C supplement. Vitamin C is believed to increase the amount of iron absorbed by the body. So this is the complete protocol, complete introduction of the this practical. So now we come to the what is the performance of the practical. To prepare and submit ferrous sulfate syrup, some apparatus are also used in the performing this practical. Uh, so uh, so the apparatus beaker 250 ml. Uh, so the apparatus 250 ml and measuring cylinder 10 ml, 50 ml and spatula and glass rod. Material sucrose, water and ferrous sulfate and peppermint oil. So the formula used is Rx sucrose 85 gram and water 1000 ml and FeSO4 50 gram and peppermint oil 20 ml. So the syrup is a nearly saturated aqueous solution of a sugar such as sucrose in water with or without medicinal or flavoring ingredients. When the syrup contains some added medicinal substances, it is called medicated syrup. So the flavored syrup is one which is not medicated but contains flavored substances, and it is used a flavored vehicle. So it is important that the concentration of sucrose approach but not quite reach the saturated point. In dilution solution, sucrose provides an excellent nutrient for many microorganisms. Its concentrated solution, on the other hand, retard uh, uh, it is important that the concentration of sucrose approach but not quite reach the saturated point. In dilution solution, sucrose provides an excellent nutrient for many microorganisms. Its concentrated solution, on the other hand, retards their growth. However, a saturated solution may lead to crystallization of a part of the sucrose under condition of changing temperature. So the what is the procedure of the ferrous sulfate syrup? Take the 3/4 of vehicle and warm it on hot plate. Then dissolve the calculate amount of sucrose and FeSO4. Finally, make up the volume by the same vehicle, and lastly add the peppermint oil. Used as a simple syrup and vehicle. What is the description? A clear, heavy, viscous liquid. Storage in tight container at a temperature not more than 25 degrees Celsius. So there are a complete practical protocol session. This digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.